Hey guys, I'll be showing you the 2x4 method of getting your stuck wheel off your car when you're desperate and all else fails. Now you're going to have to make sure you have at least 2 lug nuts on finger tight, then loosen them about maybe 2 full turns so that there's a minimal gap if and when the wheel pops off. Now, this method is pretty safe in that you don't have to be under the car or kicking the living daylights out of your tire, whether you like to or not. But it might be a little intimidating for beginners who haven't done anything like this before. Now, you're going to take a piece of 2x4 and place it halfway under the inner side of the tire. Then you'll want to slowly, and I do mean slowly, lower the car so that some of the weight, if not all the weight, of the car rests on the 2x4. And sometimes that's enough to pop it off. Now, just to be safe, you still want to keep your car supported, so I wouldn't lower the entire jack. I would typically lower it slowly, bit by bit, but not all the way. Next, take your rubber mallet and tap all over the sides of the rim to loosen anything with the vibrations. So if you're lucky, you'll hear a pop when the wheel separates from the rotor. So you'll want to pay attention to the wheel throughout the whole process. There you go. Hopefully this helps you with your stuck wheel. Comment below if it does, or if you have your own method to share.